Ayun, tingnan mo. Nakamaan ka sa ulo.
Ako?
Ha? Ayun na. Ayun, no?
Isn't she a beautiful bird?
Yeah.
Yes. Right now she's trying to swallow, and she has swallowed a huge piece of papaya. Now, hornbills like Vicky, they are one of the largest in this region. Here she comes. Whoa, look at that. Now, in order for our future generations to admire these birds in the wild, we need to do our part. Let's practice the 3 R's. And what are they? Reduce, and recycle. Recycling of papers will enable more trees in the wild for beautiful birds like Vicky. Now, one last look at her, because she'll be making her way back home, back today. Alright, bye-bye, Vicky. Oh, nice music there. Okay, hi, Suki. Suki is our toucan buddy. Alright, Suki, what do you want? Suki wants to catch a fruit just like Vicky. Alright, with me I have a fruit. I'm going to throw this fruit to Suki. Alright, Suki, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, catch! Oh no, it's alright. How about introducing us your real friend? Yes. These are the real toucans. To be more specific, these are total toucans. Now this is Mr. and Mrs. Horn, husband and wife team. Yes, now how about a strong adult volunteer to have these two birds on their arm? Can I have any strong adult volunteer? Yes, sir. Sorry, excuse me, sir. The sir behind you. Yes. There's one in white shirt. Yes. Alright. Stand on the other stairway. Alright. Okay, my friend Derek will be assisting you. Alright, listen to him. Alright. Alright, Mr. and Mrs. Boy. This is it. Alright. When one goes, so does the other. Yeah. How about one applause for him? Now, sir, are the birds heavy? Oh, you're very strong. Each of the birds weighs only about 400 plus grams. Alright. Yes, Mr. Swan, thank you very much, sir. Now, despite that, these students, they remain agile during flight. Alright, with me, I have 2 pieces of bread, and I'll do the coffee up to the end. Everyone, watch. Mr. Swan, you first. 1, 2, 3, catch! Oh. And now your turn, Mr. Swan. 1, 2, 3, catch! Well done! Alright, it's a sad situation for these birds in the wild. Their populations are declining rapidly due to deforestation and poaching. Experts estimate that 130 species of flora and fauna are disappearing every day in the wild. So let's all do our part in conservation of these beautiful birds. Alright, this is Mr. Hot. Where are you, Mrs. Hot? Are you planning to join your husband? Alright. Now, do you know where home is? Yes, Mr. Hot, do you know where home is? Alright, maybe they want a round of applause. Alright. Alright. Mr. Hot, you have gone home. How about Mr. Hot? Alright. Now, parrots. Parrots are very good at collecting fruits during their breeding season. They are known to collect fruits to their nesting site. And with me this afternoon, we have 2 such birds. On my right, this is Dave. And with him, this is Barry, our green-winged hawk. And on my left, this is Sabrina. And with her is Sunny, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, these 2 birds, they need supporters. Yes, from the center all the way to my right, all of you will support Barry. Alright? I'll count 1, 2, 3, and all of you shout, Barry, Barry. Alright, let's do this together. 1, 2, 3.
Barry, Barry.
Very good. And from the center
mga ganun-ganun yung muna.
Alright, birds to the table. Now with me, I have a huge tree trunk. Very strong in life. Alright, now we have 4 balls on each side that will depict young fruit. Supporters, don't forget to